Stages are ignited. Plus 5 seconds.
That was ISRO's 100th launch, a milestone in India's space journey. But how did we get here? And what's next for India in space? The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, is India's national space agency. But it wasn't always the giant it is today. It all started in 1969 with one man's vision, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He believed that a developing country like India could achieve great things in space. But at the time, India barely had the resources to build satellites, let alone rockets. In the early days, ISRO's rockets were transported on bicycles and satellites were carried on block carts. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. India had to start from scratch with limited technology and funding. Fast forward to today, ISRO is one of the world's leading space agencies. From launching small experimental satellites, India is now landing on the moon, reaching Mars, and building its own navigation system. One of ISRO's biggest strengths is the cost effective space missions. When India sent a probe to Mars in 2013, it cost only $74 million, less than the budget of a Hollywood sci fi movie like Gravity. That means India reached Mars for less than the cost of making a film about space. This efficiency has put India on the global space map. Today, ISRO is not just launching missions for India, it's launching satellites for other countries too. So, what makes ISRO different? Unlike NASA or SpaceX, which have massive budgets, ISRO is known for its frugal innovation, achieving more with less. Instead of relying on expensive imports, ISRO engineers develop homegrown technology, keeping costs low. This is why India can achieve major milestones at a fraction of what other countries spend. But ISRO isn't stopping there. India is preparing to send astronauts to space with the Gaganyaan mission. This will be India's first human spaceflight carrying astronauts into low Earth orbit. If successful, India will become the fourth country to send humans to space, after Russia, the US, and China. India's space program is evolving beyond ISRO. With InSpace, private companies like Skyroot Aerospace and Agnikul Cosmos are developing rockets and launching satellites at lower cost. In 2022, Skyroot became the first private Indian company to launch a rocket, marking a major shift in the industry. This isn't just about launches, it's about innovation. From low cost satellites to advanced propulsion, India's private sector is making space more accessible. Globally, ISRO is collaborating with NASA, JAXA, and ESA. The NASA ISRO NISAR satellite will provide crucial Earth data, while ISRO and JAXA are planning a moon mission to explore the South Pole. These partnerships and private ventures are cementing India's place as a leading force in the new space age. From transporting satellites on bicycles to landing on the moon's South Pole, ISRO's journey is a testament to human ingenuity. But this is just the beginning. With Gaganyaan, India is preparing to send its astronauts into space. With Shukrayaan, the country is setting its sights on Venus. And beyond that, interplanetary missions, space stations, and perhaps one day, an Indian footprint on Mars. Every launch, every mission, and every new discovery pushes the limits of what we thought was possible. Space exploration isn't just about reaching new planets, it's about redefining what humanity can achieve. ISRO's story is one of resilience, ambition, and an unyielding drive to explore. And as we look toward the cosmos, one thing is certain: India's journey into space has only just begun.